Guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix keyboard input layout is lagging or slow. If you're using a PC or Windows 10 or Windows 11, you're facing the issue that your keyboard input is slow. So let's see how can you fix this issue. So the very first thing, you just have to go to search and here just search for settings. Now once you are in settings, you just have to go to Windows Update and here you have to make sure that you are on the latest version. You haven't any pending update, or if you have, just try to check for updates to get the latest update on your PC. Now once you have done, just go back and here press Windows plus R to open run command, and in run command you have to enter control keyboard and press OK or enter from your keyboard. Now here you have to make sure that your repeat rate is set to as maximum. So once you have done, just press apply and then OK. Now after doing that, if you're still facing the same issue, so press window button and here just search for CMD. Right click on it, click on run as simulator and then press yes. Now in this section you have to enter a command which is sfc space slash scan now and then press enter from your keyboard. So it will completely scan your system, and if there will be any damage or junk file in your PC, so it will be fixed in the steps. After that you may not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.